Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, abundant day. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this beautiful piece called Venus, the goddess of love. The character's name in particular is called Vina. She is super cute. I love how every single thing turned out. Here I'm just showing you guys what I use in order to create this piece: some micron pens, a white gel pen, some paint brushes, my favorite watercolor palette, and an embossing heat gun, which actually helps with the drying time and process. So yeah, let's get into the video. First things first, I want to let you guys know, welcome back. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nadi. I am a witch and root worker who loves to create black women as supernatural beings. So if that's something you're into, make sure to like and subscribe and comment to see more from me and what other videos you'd like to see. But anyways, let's actually get into what this video is going to be about. So I am going to be talking about a little bit about this piece and also my dreams. So on Twitter, I always tell you guys my dreams because they are super weird, guys, and it makes no sense how weird my dreams be. So one of you guys was like, you should make a dream series, and that was like a while back, and I never really had the time to do it, or I was actually scared to do it. So right now, this is going to be the first video in my Naughty's Dream series, where I tell you all my wacky and wild dreams. Sometimes they have meanings behind it, sometimes they just be really crazy as hell, like this one. But yeah, let's get into it. So in this piece particular, I am starting a planetary ruler series, which basically I'm going to be turning the planets into beautiful ethereal elf princesses. Once I finished my tarot deck, I needed a new project to start on. I needed something fresh, something I haven't done before, and something I haven't done before is draw detailed backgrounds and doing it on 9 by 12 inch paper or bigger. I used to do that a lot, but I kind of like drew away from it because I got lazy basically, and I like to draw very small. So I wanted to test my ability as an artist, and I decided to create this series. I really love how I did the background. The funnest part for me was the background and obviously painting the subject. I love drawing the plants. It was super cute. I do wish I would add some more detail in certain parts, but overall I really do like how this piece turned out. Let me know if you guys like it, and which part was your favorite out of the whole piece. I think mine was definitely drawing the plants, the details of the plants, and then also doing the character herself. I always love drawing. But yeah, I can't wait for the next planet, which I'm pretty sure is going to be the sun. So I hope you guys are excited for that, because I'm really excited for that. I really love yellow and how gorgeous it looks. Yellow and brown. I'm ready to do that. But let's get into this dream, y'all. Let me tell you how ghetto this shit was here. So basically, I was in this high-rise apartment, and it was a party of sorts, and just imagine like a very bright party with a blue hue over it. So it's like the whole scene was just had a blue hue, so it was just like calm and collected. And I feel like that they did that to throw me off, but whatever, y'all do you. So I was in there, we were partying, and I saw this guy, and this guy had bright blue eyes, like the Twitter memes, like, you know how it'd be like people with blue eyes or people with color eyes, and they just staring at you. That's how he was looking at me, and I was like, what the hell? And I just was scared, like, what the fuck was he looking at me like that for? What did he gain from looking at me like that? So his girlfriend rolled up on me, because I was kind of mesmerized by his eyes. His girlfriend rolled up on me, and she was like, oh, this is my boyfriend, you like him, don't you? And I was like, calm down, I ain't knew he had a girlfriend, so no, I don't like him. But he was like, no, that's fine, we're actually into that. My boyfriend and I have been looking for people to play with. And I was like, I didn't say anything during this whole time. I was just sitting there like, okay. And there were 3 other people next to us, or 3 other people in that room. One of the people look absolutely terrified. Like, she was scared. Like, she was trying to tell me and the other people in that room something. And I didn't know what she was trying to tell us. So I'm just sitting here, like, just minding my business, being very, like, I'm not sensing the danger. I'm not sensing it. So I started to feel like something was off when the one that was scared, I don't know how she looked, I forgot how she was looking, she started to get very defensive and very erratic and shit. And then the girlfriend and the other boy, they were just like looking at her like, shut up. And then it was just getting very ominous and very sneaky, like, and they're like their body started to change a little bit. And my vibe that was coming from them, it started to get very ominous and very sneaky. So I was like, okay, I'm kind of scared now. I'm getting scared. There's a problem. I'm not sensing it. So I left the room, and then when I came back, all I heard was screaming. Loud fucking screaming. And I was like, what the hell is going on? So I came back in the room. The girl in question, she was gone. She was gone. There was no trace of her. And then the girl and her boyfriend was just sitting there looking stupid, just looking like trying to look innocent. And I'm like, nah, what the hell went down? What just went down? And then the other two people that were with me were just very confused as well, or kind of had a shock face on. And I was like, okay, I clearly missed something. What the hell is going on? So the girl finally fell out of the closet. She was messed up. She was towed to hell up, like scratches all over her body and everything. She fell out of the closet and she looked at me and she said, run. And I was like, you don't have to tell me twice. I was fucking out of there. Like, and then the two people, they were trying to come me as well. So I tried to help them, y'all. I could not help them. When I tell you, I had left those people. So we had to go down a ladder because we was trying to get away from them, because they started to change into like these alien bodies with tentacles and stuff. Their features started to be distorted. So I was like, oh hell no. So it was like a balcony, and it had a ladder, like a fire escape type ladder thing. And me and the other girl started climbing down, because that other girl, the first one, she got ate up. I'm sorry, she was gone. She went the other way, and I was like, girl, come back this way. She didn't listen. I was like, all right, you on your own, you do your thing. So me and her went down the ladder, and I remember the feeling of the ladder just crashing down, because it wasn't all the way on the floor. So I had to crawl down the ladder while it was coming down. That was kind of a rush. But after that happened, alien alien cops pulled up on us, and they were surrounding us. And I was in like a garage, I think it was a garage of sorts, or I think I was maybe in a warehouse, a type of warehouse, and they were surrounding us with guns and stuff. And I was just looking around like, hell no, boy. And so I was finna run one way, but the girl ran the other way, so the cops started going after her. And I was like, well, you have fun with that. I left her. I'm sorry. I tried to help them. They wasn't listening to me. I was like, okay, well, y'all have fun. I'm getting the hell out of here. So I had left out the warehouse, and then I rode down the steep green hill, and I think an alien popped out of nowhere. He was like, you're not even on Earth anymore. You're with us, and you will never get back to your planet. And I was just hiding like, are you dead ass right now? Are you serious? So basically, that's when the dream ended, and I woke up thinking, I'm getting in there were aliens who trying to put me in a poly relationship, but then after they put me in that poly relationship, they were gonna tear my ass up. This is really how I'm living? That dream was just crazy as hell, and I had to wait. When I woke up, I just sat there for a couple of minutes like, what was the lesson in that dream? Is there a lesson in that dream? Do you guys think there's a lesson in that dream? And if you guys do think it was a lesson, what was the lesson that I was supposed to learn? Because here I'm just in here like, why did you take me off of planet Earth and I didn't even know I was abducted? That's the thing. I had lost all memory of me being abducted. I can't say the word abducted. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And I was just there. I didn't even remember how I get there. and I still didn't remember how I got there even after I left. So that dream, I don't know, it was crazy. It was extremely crazy. And I wonder if I should pull cards and ask spirit what that dream was about, or if I was like in another realm or another place, because I felt every single thing in that dream, like physically felt every single thing in that dream. I felt the ladder coming down. I felt the wind coming up my body as the ladder went down. I felt being thrown around in that room when it was trying to get me, and I felt like rolling on the grass. I felt all that. So I'm trying to figure out what the hell happened, because that ain't right. But yeah, that's basically it for the dream. I actually had another weird dream last night, but that's going to be for another series. I think I'll do it next week or the week after next. If you guys want to hear it, just let me know. But yeah, that was that dream. It was super, super scary. I would love to hear one of your guys' dreams if you would like to tell me in the comments, because that'd be cool. I think hearing about other people's dreams and what they dream about and what their mind go through is kind of amazing. So yeah, this is the first video in my Naughty's Dream series, and I hope you guys enjoyed that little snippet of my world. But yeah, back to this piece. Once again, I wanted to say that I just really love how beautiful she came out, because this year my New Year's resolution was that I do more detailed backgrounds for pieces, and then I take more time on pieces. So this piece took me like 3 hours to do, and the background was extremely detailed as it was for me, and I really enjoyed the entire process of it. Of course, I was getting a little impatient because I tend to get impatient, but it was the process of creating this piece that really made this piece one of my favorites, honestly. Like, just watching myself paint the leaves just brings me so much joy and happiness, because I never really take the time to stop and actually study the piece that I'm doing, make sure all the details are correct, and then try to put my character into a space. Every time I used to draw a piece, I would put my character into a space, but I would never transfer that space that I put them in onto the actual paper. So the fact that I'm doing it right now is kind of amazing, and I really do enjoy doing it. So I can't wait for the next piece, because I wonder what I'm gonna do for the sun. Maybe I'll put her in a desert. Wouldn't that be amazing? I'll put the planet sun in a desert, or I'll put her around lava. Oh wait, no, let me shut up. I'm getting ideas. Okay. So yeah, and I actually have an announcement for you guys. So if you don't know already, or if you are a part of my Patreon, I am letting go of Patreon, and I am doing this because I feel like that platform is taking too much out of me. I feel like it's a chore almost to create stuff for that platform. I do love sending out prints to you guys, and I do love doing coloring pages for you guys, but doing it every single week is kind of taking a toll on me. So I decided to cancel Patreon entirely. I still am going to do the subscription for prints and a coloring page and postcard every single month, but I'm going to do that on my website. So if that's something you're interested in, it's going to be $11, just like it was on my Patreon, and you guys will get 5 4x6 mini prints. You'll get a postcard of the month that is only exclusive to you guys, and then you'll also get a coloring page that is exclusive to you guys as well. And it's going to be a subscription thing once a month, like Patreon, but it'll just be on my website. And I think that's going to be even better than what I was doing on Patreon, because it puts less pressure on me, and I'm 99% sure I can get it done, and it wouldn't feel like a chore almost. But yeah, I do appreciate every single person that stuck with me during the time I had Patreon. I had it for almost 2 to 3 years, and that whole time it was fun, it was amazing. But during the last year, I started to drift away from it. It started to get hard to post on it, and I feel bad that even when I tell you guys I'll be posting for that week, I don't post for the week, because either I forget or I lose motivation. and that's just not fair to you guys. So yeah, I'm just canceling it out entirely. So if you are a patron right now, you won't get charged for the month of April. And if you did decide to want to become a patron this month, April, I think I'm gonna do it on the 14th or sooner. I don't know when I'm gonna do it. Just follow on my Twitter to know the exact dates. I will be releasing my unicorn subscription package, which is going to come with all that good shit I just said before. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video and tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed the entire process, me rambling about my dreams. And yeah, thank you guys once again so much for watching. There will be prints of this beautiful piece up on my website, and I had a lot of people asking me if they can get her tatted. Yes, you can get her tatted, guys. You can get any of my pieces that's on my website tatted on you. All you have to do is just buy a print first to show support. Otherwise, get it tatted and make sure to tag me, because I would love to see my tattoo on your body. That's something that's permanent, and it's such an honor to me that you want a piece of my work on your body forever. It's still mind blown when that shit happens. But yeah, guys, I see you guys actually on Friday, because now I'll be posting twice a week on Wednesdays and Fridays. Wednesdays is going to be art related videos, and then on Fridays it's going to be like spirituality, hoodoo, witchcraft and fashion videos. I hope you guys will start to enjoy that, because it's going to be rad. But yeah, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.